Off the coast of Long Island, New York, lies a mysterious island shrouded in secrecy, a place where some of the deadliest animal viruses were studied, a laboratory surrounded by rumors, conspiracies, and fear. This is Plum Island, and this is the story of Lab 257. Hi guys, welcome back to Echoes of Time. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most mysterious and controversial laboratories in American history. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our historical deep dives. Plum Island Laboratory has fascinated scientists, historians, and conspiracy theorists alike. Its story is a perfect mix of science, secrecy, and speculation, spanning decades of research, rumors, and intrigue. In 1954, during the height of the Cold War, the U.S. government faced a critical problem: protecting its livestock from highly contagious and dangerous diseases, such as foot and mouth disease. The Department of Agriculture needed a secure location to study these pathogens without risking the mainland population. Plum Island, a remote 840-acre island off the northeastern tip of Long Island, was chosen for its isolation, natural security, and accessibility only by controlled ferry. Here, scientists could conduct research safely and securely. The mission was simple, yet vital: understand deadly animal diseases, develop vaccines, and prevent outbreaks that could devastate the U.S. economy. However, as global tensions escalated, the lab's work began intersecting with military interests. Its expertise in dangerous pathogens made it a subject of intense interest, and whispers of secret experiments began circulating, marking the beginning of a story shrouded in both fact and speculation. Fast forward to 2006, when investigative journalist Peter Pringle published Lab 257, the disturbing story of the government's secret Plum Island germ laboratory. The book sent shockwaves, claiming that Plum Island was not just a veterinary research facility, but a site where secret experiments occurred, experiments that blurred the line between science and conspiracy. Pringle's book detailed incidents of mysterious illnesses among staff, unexplained outbreaks in surrounding areas, and the lab's extreme secrecy. Only authorized personnel could access the island, traveling under supervision and following rigorous decontamination protocols. The atmosphere of secrecy fueled speculation, conspiracy theories, and public fascination. Despite the controversies, Plum Island Laboratory made significant contributions to science and public health. Researchers developed vaccines for livestock, studied the spread of highly contagious diseases, and created containment methods that saved countless animals and protected the national food supply. Foot and mouth disease, a major focus, threatened the livelihoods of farmers and the economy. Scientists at Plum Island worked tirelessly to understand its transmission and develop strategies to prevent catastrophic outbreaks. Yet the lab's very secrecy became a source of fear. Alleged accidents, unexplained outbreaks in nearby regions, and anonymous claims of experiments beyond veterinary science fed the conspiracy machine. Some suggested that Plum Island could have been testing pathogens capable of affecting humans, though no official evidence has confirmed these claims. Rumors persisted, giving rise to a mystique that continues to capture the imagination of the public. Lab 257 became an icon of secrecy and fear in American culture. Movies, novels, and documentaries reference Plum Island as the archetype of the isolated, secret laboratory where science and speculation collide. Its story is compelling because it intertwines undeniable scientific achievements with the shadowy aura of secrecy, rumor, and human curiosity. In recent years, Plum Island Laboratory's operations were relocated to the mainland with the establishment of the National Bio and Agro Defense Facility in Kansas. The physical lab may be closing, but its story, woven from fact, speculation, and mystery, lives on. Plum Island and Lab 257 remind us that history is not only what actually happened, but also what we fear might have happened in the shadows. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the history and mysteries of Plum Island Laboratory, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Echoes of Time, and leave a comment telling us which historical mystery we should explore next. The story of Lab 257 is not just about viruses or science. It's a tale of human curiosity, secrecy, and the unknown, echoing through time.